Scanning a big factory with Matterport can be a challenging project. Recently, I created a virtual tour of a manufacturing plant in Bulgaria, and I'll tell you why you need exactly the same virtual tour. I thought this would be a one-day project. 4 days later, I finally stepped out the factory doors. That's what it takes to properly document a complex industrial space like this. I captured every part of this facility using my Matterport Pro 2 camera, not a simple task. After scanning the entire factory, Matterport created a complete digital twin. Now you'll ask me, why do I need a virtual tour? In our case, the virtual tour was required for the factory to be sold faster. In fact, clients can get a detailed impression of the factory without visiting. This saves loads of travel expenses. I'll give you a tip here. Consider talking to your colleagues about a virtual tour. Your factory, school, or every other business will be able to attract many more customers and hence close many more sales. Contact Vada360 for virtual tour services that deliver real value. See you soon.